Hey everyone, in this video we're going to see how to install custom packages for AnvPy X using Termux. So before starting the steps, you need to first have two apps installed. First is AnvPy X and second is Termux. For Termux I have given the link in the description, just download from there. And now let's first open AnvPy X app. And now we'll move to up to this package section here. Search for any random package. Maybe you can search for AIO HTTP. Okay, you can see there is no package available in AnvPy X. So we'll click on this cube icon for custom build using Termux. You can see there's a couple of steps. The first step is to install Termux, which we have already done. Second is to enable additional permission. We'll move to AnvPy X app info. You can either press on this or maybe move through settings. And here you'll reach this page. Here you can see there's a section called permissions. Just click on it. And under that you will have this additional permission, and you will have a section called run commands in Termux environment. Just allow it. Okay, done. We'll move back to step step 2 is done, and next step is to is display over other apps. So the same way for Termux, move to its app info, move down, and here you will have something called display of other apps. So it's just allow it. Okay, it's done. Again, let's continue step 3. We'll have to copy this command. You can see from this symbol till properties. Okay, till this much, just copy it, then move to Termux. Just allow everything what is showing. Okay, now just write here nano, okay, space, and paste that command. Alright, now press enter. Okay, now we'll list this page and we'll have to move down. You can use this arrow keys here. Just move down till allow external apps. Okay, just uncomment it. Done. Now we'll write it. For writing you do have to click this control button, then O, then press enter. Okay, done. Then we'd save it. Again control and X. Okay, again move back to AnvPy X, and here you'll have this again another command called Termux reload settings. Copy it. Again the same step, move back to Termux and paste it here, then press enter. Okay, you can see this kind of pop-up, that means it's successfully executed. Now we can move back to AnvPy X. Okay, now the fourth step. Okay, here we can see written enable all files access for Termux. Okay, just move back to Termux here, or you can just move to settings. Okay, then search for all file access. You can here, I can just, yeah, it's all file access here. Move to all file access, then scroll down to Termux, allow it, done. Alright, well, I can move back to AnvPy X, and here the last thing you need to do is just copy this command. Okay, I can move back to Termux, and the same way just paste it, and this will take a couple of minutes depending on the internet connection. So make sure you have a stable internet connection before executing this step, as this will install Python in this Termux. So maybe it will take like 700 megabytes of your data. So just run this command, and this will take a couple of times, so maybe I'll skip it. Okay, so now you can see you will have a success message called Python 2.3 is installed, and maybe in between you will have some kind of errors, so just ignore all those things until you'll have at the end this success message. Okay, so now we have completely followed all the steps, and let's again install AIO-HTTP. We'll again just make it fresh it up, and we'll again search for AIO-HTTP and move to this icon. Then we'll start building here. It will automatically move to Termux. It will automatically start building, and after building, it will again automatically move to AnvPy. So do not do any activity on your screen during building. Okay. You can see the successfully built. Now it will again move back and AIO-HTTP is installed. Alright, let's check in the packages section. Yes, you can see this AIO-HTTP is installed. So this is the general step how to install any custom packages using Termux. And I just have one suggestion for you. Before installing any custom packages, make sure Termux is running in the background. Okay, so you can just before installing packages, open Termux for one time, then move back to AnvPy, then build any packages you want. All right. Okay, so that's all for this video. And if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Or if you have joined any AnvPy community servers, maybe Discord, Telegram, then you can also ask it there. And I'll see you in the next video. Until that, keep building.